Welcome to the National Safe Tractor and Machinery Operation Program, brought to you by Cornell Cooperative Extension of Cayuga County. Today we're going to discuss electrical hazards. Electrical devices have allowed farming to become a little bit less labor intensive. There's motors, there's refrigeration units, crop dryers and augers, controlled ventilation systems, and automatic feeder systems. All of these things have made their farmers' jobs a little bit easier. But unfortunately, along with that also comes electrical hazards. So let's discuss electrical shock hazard, which is a current flowing through the body. It will affect the body in some manner. You may just feel a tingling sensation. You may feel a shock that can result in muscular contractions that can knock the victim away from a circuit. Electrical shock may lock the muscles where a release of the circuit is impossible. And in severe cases, heart muscle rhythms are disrupted and death can result. You want to watch for overloaded circuits. If your wire gauge is too small to carry the current, if you overload an electrical circuit by running too many devices at once, if you have excessively long circuits, like putting too many extension cords together, or if you have loose electrical connections. If your circuit breaker keeps tripping or a fuse keeps blowing, check your electrical circuit to be overloaded. Before you start any electrical work, you need to assure that the device is removed from the electrical circuit or that the electrical current is shut off to that device and locked out to make sure no one can turn it back on while you are doing your task. Have a qualified service come to identify the existence of any buried utility lines or pipes. Call 811 for Dig Safely New York. A pathway for current. That is the definition of an electrical conductor. Normally, this is the wires that connect from the main power source to where the electricity is used. A break in the insulation of those wires can allow electricity to leak out. If the current leaks out of its conductor, it will seek the path of least resistance to the ground. Also, many overhead power lines do not have insulating covers. If an object comes in contact with these lines, electricity will pass through the object. If a person holding onto the object, that person will become the conductor. If you hit the overhead lines with a ladder, that will become the conductor, and it will find the path of least resistance down to you. Every year, 30 to 40 people are electrocuted on farms. So here are some ways to stay safe. Check for overloaded circuits. Watch for overhead lines. Stay grounded. Don't break off the third prong on a plug. Apply lockout devices. Keep your distribution box locked. And if you're doing any work, make sure you apply lockouts to any electrical device so that other people will not come through and turn it back on. Beware of extension cord dangers. Don't hook too many extension cords together. Do not pull them directly from the socket. And make sure that all your extension cords don't have any damage. And make sure you call Dig Safe New York at 811 before you do any digging.